Hey guys and gals, hope everyone's doing well. So if you have a 911 991.2 Porsche and you have had it for at least a few years, I've seen a lot of reports of this happening, and this has just finally happened to me for the first time, but I did experience a failure on the struts that hold up the engine compartment deck lid. And let me show you what it looks like when this happens. Nothing real technical here, but basically the struts that hold up the lid, and you can see one of them is right here, and there's another one right over there. You can see that these things eventually over time begin to fail, and I could see it coming down nice and slowly right now, but you'll see this is what happens. They just don't hold it up. It's also been known to happen with the Frunk. So not exactly sure where the quality control went bad with this particular component of the car, but the good thing is that you can get replacements for these fairly inexpensively. If you're buying them from Porsche and you're buying the Porsche brand ones, you're going to spend, at least for the rear engine deck lid struts, I think it was maybe $130. But FCP Euro will sell you OEM manufactured deck lid struts and Frunk struts for considerably less. I think I spent somewhere in the neighborhood of about $25 to $30 for a pair of them. Now, unfortunately, I made the mistake of accidentally ordering the Frunk ones, even though I didn't need them. And when I realized that they were the Frunk ones, and you can tell by how long they are, these are, I don't know, they're about 8 or 10 inches, and those are intended for the Frunk. When I realized I had the wrong ones and how little it cost me to get them, I just decided I was going to keep them. I did like that these were made in Germany, and I figured, hey, why not? They do come with a lifetime replacement guarantee, so I figured, why not? Don't have much to lose. But I did have to go ahead and reorder and pay for shipping again for the ones for the rear. And unfortunately, I noticed right away that it says made in Mexico on those. So don't know why the front ones are made in Germany, the rear ones are made in Mexico. I did call FCP Euro, and they assured me that from time to time they have different manufacturing facilities and they may move from one to another, but they did assure me that the quality control out of both factories is the same, that they are made to the same exact specifications that the ones that are made in Germany are. And again, these were so inexpensive, I figured, why not? So anyways, the installation should be real simple. I don't expect that it's going to take more than a couple minutes to change them all out. So stay tuned. I'm going to go set up the camera and get all this stuff ready so that I can show the video of the DIY process as efficiently as possible. And lastly, real quick, if you do like this video, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the video, if you don't like the video, and tell me about any other DIY mods or anything you'd like to see done on this car. So anyways, hope you're enjoying the video, hope you enjoy it, and I will see you shortly. Take care. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed one of the rear deck lid struts from the pouch there, and you can see what it looks like here. You only need one tool to do this job, and preferably if you have one of these things that's got like a little right angle tip on it there, that would be ideal, because all you have to do to remove these from the vehicle is you stick this part in there and then you pull back, and that, whoop, almost poked my finger there, but that there will help release it from the bracket that it's being held onto the car. Same with the bottom. So you just insert this in right there. And of course, it's not going to be easy for me to do it here, but I'm going to try anyway. You insert that there, you pull back, and that will loosen it. Now, you could also use just a very small flat head screwdriver and do the same thing. And I'm going to see if I can show it to you how it works. You could see it lifting up a little bit there. It's pretty tight, but it will lift. and then you simply, once you remove the other one, you snap the other one. Once you remove the original one, you snap this into place. You shouldn't have to pull these back to snap it into place, but I was showing you on here what you're gonna have to do on the vehicle in order to take it off. So again, on the vehicle, you'll want to pry this off to pull it off, but to put this back on the vehicle, it should just snap right in. So let me go ahead and remove the one from the vehicle to bring it over here for comparison. Okay, well here's the old one that I just removed from one of the from the right side of the rear deck lid, and it's, I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but this is straight off the vehicle. I have to believe that this is the original one that came from the factory. It says Stabilis Lift-O-Mat, just like the ones here, and just like it does on the new one that I'm going to be putting on. So these do in fact appear to be the same. The one thing is here, what I could see, and I don't know if you could see it on your screen there, but it does say made in Germany here, and does not say that on the new one. But that's okay. I mean, essentially this looks exactly the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap the new one back on. I'm gonna take this old one and just put it to the side so I don't accidentally confuse it, and we will be right back. All right, before I get started on putting the new strut on, I do want to point out that there's the little ball that we're going to put the new strut on. There's the bottom part and there's the top part. And you can see there's some leftover grease residue. So I'm just going to go ahead and carefully wipe that clean. And then I also want to show you that the new one also has some grease already pre-applied to the little part that connects there. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean the ones off the car and then just snap this one back on. It should be real easy. Okay, you can see I've got the little attachment points there cleaned up nicely. I think I could do this one-handed, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to take the bottom end and just press it on. Let's see. Boom. And then the top end, I'm gonna have to extend the lid up a little bit. Snapped right into place. Now talk about an easy DIY. I think this is somewhere on the level of easiness between changing the caps of the valve stems on a tire and changing the windshield wiper blades. Somewhere right in between there. But that's about as easy as it gets. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat those same steps on the other side, which I have right here. I was using this to hold the lid up, but now looks like it's being held up just fine. So be right back. Okay, for anyone who wants to see just how quick and easy it is to remove these, I'm going to go ahead and do it live on camera here. I pry it in there. The first one comes off nice and easy. And now we'll do the same with the bottom piece. And there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these clean. And that's super easy. And you know what I like to do? I'll just take a little simple green. Nice little cleaner there, just to give it a little extra clean. There we go. Super easy. I will take out the other new strut. Should have probably taken it out before I started to make this go real fast, but that's okay. I get to sit here and talk to you for an extra minute. But here it comes out of the pack. I will go ahead and just snap it into place. Bottom one is in. Top one is in. Can remove this thing which was holding it up. Let's see how it goes. All right, that looks good. Let's pop it up. Wow, yeah, it definitely has a little bit better lift there. I noticed it came up nice and easy. Let's try that one more time. Not that it was hard to lift up before, but oh yeah, it's got some little extra oomph there as you're going ahead and opening it up. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that. That was really easy. I like doing that. That's the kind of DIY mod improvement that I like to do, the kind that doesn't really take much time or effort, and it's kind of hard to mess up. But anyways, once again, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe. Hope it helps you out, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Hey guys, I forgot that I wanted to go ahead and do the Frunk struts as well, since I already had them. So I'm just gonna do this real quick, nice and easy on camera, show you just how easy it is. Once again, whoa! There you go. You might want to be careful with that one, actually. Wasn't ready for that, so I'm gonna put that back there and get something to prop up this this Frunk. Hang on a minute. All right, well that was fun. So I managed to find a tripod and set up the length so that it could prop up that hood and not come crashing down on me this time when I go to remove the strut. But let's see, hopefully it doesn't come off this time again. And so there goes the first one. We're gonna go ahead and remove the second clip here. And it pops off as easy as it did on the engine deck lid. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and clean off these little balls that the new struts will attach to. And go ahead and spray a dab of simple green here, just to get it nice and clean. And I'll take one of the new ones, pop it on. I see that on this one, the skinnier side goes to the bottom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and snap it on. There we go. There we go. Repeat on the other side. Let me just turn this light. Give me a little better light there. Oh. There we go. Pop this one out. Do the same here. All right, these glasses are just getting in the way. All right, that popped off. Go ahead and clean those little attachment points there. Let's go ahead and just spray a little simple green. Nice and clean. All right. Take the new strut. Meet the new strut. Same as the old strut. Boom. And boom. Now, hopefully, let's see. Probably should have done a little before and after to show how easily the hood went up and down before, or so that way we can maybe compare. Let's see. Let me just go ahead and remove this. Now seems like it doesn't. Oh, I know why. There we go. All right. Here we go. Let's see if I mess this up. Oh wow, I could definitely feel that it's got more lift. Let me go ahead and pop that up and see if I can show that. I mean, it wasn't a problem before. I can't tell you how soon it would have failed before, but it definitely lifts better than it did before. Again, wasn't a problem yet. Probably would have become a problem at some point, as these are known to fail, and at least this time if they do fail, I'll get brand new ones under the free replacement program with FCP. Anyways, there you have it. A little sweatier this time because I'm in my garage and it's already practically summertime here in Florida. And it's hot in here. It's probably a good 90 degrees or more in here. But anyways, hope you enjoyed that. And we'll see you soon. Take care, everyone.